Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video we're doing Mind of a Madman by OMG. I was on ocfireworks.com, I was checking out some of the Black Scorpion and Fisherman that they had. I saw this OMG brand, loved the logo, had to pick up some to try. So I grabbed a couple of their 200 gram cakes. This is a 30-shot, 200-gram cake. It is angled, and it wants this side facing towards the audience. And performance, as a peek behind the curtains is the mind of a madman, pushing the boundaries with each and every firework. 30 shots, golden chrysanthemums with red tail, silver chrysanthemum with green tail, titanium golden willow, silver tail, whistling silver spinning tail burst, red plum, brocade crown with brocade crown tail. Sounds like there's a lot of good effects in this cake, and I really wanted to see this one. If I like these ones, I'm going to go back and grab some of their 500 gram ones to try as well. But to start with, I just grabbed some of the 200 grams so I could check them out. So if we open this cake up, we've got all 30 bores. We've got 6 of these tubes angled on these middle rows. So let's take this out back, see what kind of spread this gives us, see if the howling is good and worth it. And if this one is going to make us say, oh my god, we want more of this mind, or, you know what, the madman's just crazy.